If you are getting Nintendo Switch error 2101-0001 and not charging diagnosis and repair issue, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the switch. When you are getting Nintendo Switch error 2101-0001, first of all, try to restart your router or modem and the Nintendo Switch. This can fix the temporary glitch causing the error. Press and hold the power button of your Nintendo Switch to turn it off. Then turn off your router or modem and detach all the power cords attached to the devices and from the source. Allow a few minutes to pass and then attach the power cord, turn on your router or modem, and then turn on the Nintendo Switch. If the console is not responding, then hold down the power button for 12 to 15 seconds to force shut it down. Then try to power it on again. Check if this has fixed the problem. Else, move on to the next step. Method 2. Check the power switch. If the power button of the Nintendo Switch is damaged, then also you can have issues with your device. So, press the power button and see if you can properly press it down. If the button is hard or you cannot press it, then there can be a problem with the button. Take a brush to clean the sides of the button to remove any trace of dirt and dust accumulated from there. Besides, you can use cotton swabs and isopropyl alcohol to cleanse the dirt away. If this does not fix the problem, you can take it to the repair shop to repair the button. Method 3. Inspect the charging port and cable. The error 2101-0001 mostly occurs due to faulty cable and excessive force applied while removing the charging cable. So, you should check the charging port and cable. Look for any damage or debris in the charging port. If there is accumulated dust in the port, clean it. Then, you can try a different charger and power source to rule out any issues with the cable or adapter. Make sure you use a genuine charger. You can test it with a USB tester and plug it into USB port. Check if the switch is charging. But if there is no charging indicator on the screen, then go to the next step. Method 4. Reset the AC adapter. Next, you can reset the AC adapter. For this, unplug the AC adapter from both ends. Wait for some minutes. In the meantime, check that the number of the adapter model is HAC-002. Otherwise, it should be incompatible with your device. Check if there is any sign of physical damage on the adapter. You can replace the adapter if you see any sign of damage on it. Connect the new adapter to the console and the wall outlet and turn on the Nintendo Switch. Method 5. Check the batteries. The Nintendo Switch uses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery which, over time, may lose its ability to hold a charge. If you are experiencing charging issues, it could be indeed due to an old or degraded battery. Here is how to check and replace the battery in your Nintendo Switch. Ensure your Switch is powered off to reduce the risk of a fire hazard if the battery is accidentally damaged during the repair. Remove the Joy-Con controllers. Slide them off after pressing the small round button on their back. Unscrew the back cover. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove the screws securing the rear panel. Keep track of each screw as they need to go back in the same place. Once the back cover is off, you will see the battery. It's held in place by adhesive and connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the battery's connector and gently pry the battery out. Insert a new genuine Nintendo Switch battery. Reconnect it and reassemble your Switch in reverse order. Using genuine batteries is crucial as third-party ones may not meet the safety and performance standards required for your device and could potentially damage your Switch. Once done, try to turn on the Switch. Method 6. Check for system updates. Ensure your Nintendo Switch has the latest system update. Connect to the internet, go to System Settings, select the System sub-menu and then select System Update. Method 7. Remove and reinsert the microSD card. If the error persists, try removing the microSD card from the console. With the console powered off, locate the microSD card slot. For the Nintendo Switch OLED model, gently swing the adjustable stand open to show the microSD card slot. For the Nintendo Switch, gently swing the stand open to show the microSD card slot. For the Nintendo Switch Lite, carefully open the microSD card slot cover. Gently push down on the top of the microSD card until you hear a click. Then slide it out of the microSD card slot. Inspect the microSD card and the slot for any visible signs of dirt or damage. If you notice any contamination, clean it gently with a soft, dry cloth. If the card is compatible, try inserting it in another device like a PC or another console to see if it's recognized. Then insert it back to the console if everything is fine. Ensure the microSD card is properly positioned with the label facing away from the console. Insert the microSD card into the slot and gently push down until it clicks into place. Method 8. Contact Nintendo support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it's best to contact Nintendo support for further assistance or to arrange a repair. For this, you can click on this link and search for your support. Follow the guidelines provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the Nintendo Switch error 2101-0001 and not charging diagnosis and repair issue. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.